So Noah was a righteous man in his generations. So a man develops through these questions until he comes to a point where he has this kind of saturation. After many, we didn't talk about all those transformations that happen in him. So then he comes to the degree of Noah. This is a pretty good degree. Noah, if you reverse the letters in Hebrew, you get to grace, right? Well, I don't deal with these things. So anyway, he gets to the degree of Noah, and then he needs to scrutinize what's good about me, what's bad, with what can I advance. So he does it. And what happens to him is that he discovers from the degree where now he received some light on himself through studying Torah, through engaging in Kabbalah. From Torah, he can't receive the light that reforms. So the light that reforms shows you how bad desires awaken in you, how mean you are to others, how much you hate them. And this is called the big evil that appeared in the days of Noah. Yeah, he was righteous in his generations, but maybe in other generations he wouldn't be righteous. Noah was righteous, but other things around him, which also belong to him, because we're talking about a person as a small world. Right, it's all inside of you. Yes, it's one image, one person, everything is inside of you. Exactly, just as we said in the portion Bereshit, that everything is inside of you. So in the degree of Noah, it's the same. And by the way, Noah is a decline in the degree, right? No, they go up and down, because you can't feel the ascent without the descent. You have to compare them. So meaner, bigger, crueler desires appear. And through the light that he receives, the man who is studying, we're talking about a person studying Kabbalah in a group who's really tending to himself, to attaining life's meaning, life's purpose. So when he gets to it, he sees that he is in states that are that comprise great evil and great good. He doesn't know what to do with them. So to distinguish the good from the bad and shift to the next degree, he needs to go through something called the flood. Right, but before the flood, I wanted to ask you, the Creator says to Adam, be fruitful and multiply and fill the earth and conquer it. So why the conquering? Conquering the will to receive? Yes, it means take all the desires that exist and turn them into something similar to me. Adam comes from the word domeh, similar to the upper one. And to Noah, he says, be fruitful and multiply and fill the earth. So conquering isn't said to Noah. What's the difference? Noah is a kind of finer degree than Adam. He can't do these things. What is his work? To build the ark, so it keeps him and takes him from one place to another, from one state to another. Another question. What's a righteous? A righteous man. A righteous man is one who justifies the creation. And that's because he has the power, the righteous, to see that the whole world is run by only one force. And that force is benevolent.